welcome to another episode of Belle's Kitchen. And today we're gonna make oxtail.
So right here we got like 3 pounds of oxtail, and we got a tablespoon of salt, some browning, some soy sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning, some pimento berries. So now we're gonna go in and we're gonna put the salt, onion powder, garlic powder.
I just dump it everywhere.
All-purpose seasoning, pimento berries, and chicken seasoning. So now we're gonna come in with a little splash of soy sauce. It's kind of salt, so you don't want to put too much because we already had seasoning and some salt. We're gonna put like a tablespoon. And then we're gonna come in with the browning. Put a little just to get a nice little color on it. So now we're gonna go in with our glove and we're gonna go in and we're gonna mix it up.
It feels weird.
We're gonna mix it up and we're gonna get everything coated.
Looks like garlic.
There we go. So now it's nice and seasoned. So we're just gonna wait till the pot's hot, heat it up, and then we put the oxtails in.
So now we're gonna add the oxtails to the pot. One at a time. Now after 3 minutes, we're gonna turn the oxtails to the other side. Next, we're gonna add it to the Instant Pot for 30 minutes. Now we're gonna add chicken broth for flavor.
Meanwhile,
So now we're gonna prep our veggies to serve with our oxtail when it's ready. So right here I got a head of broccoli, carrots, bell pepper. So my daughter, she's gonna peel the carrots, and I'm gonna prep the flour next to the broccoli. It is fun to be cooking with your daughter in the kitchen or your kids. Right, Kelly?
Yeah. veggies are washed, we're gonna cut them.
Half first, on the middle. No, let me show you after. Let me cut it in half. Okay, so now you're gonna look like this. Sideways.
Like slant.
Yeah, cut it at an angle. Yeah?
Okay.
You actually want it to look like a little star. I mean, diamond.
I'll be a diamond. There.
You just go like that, yeah? And go down. Okay. Turn it over.
Can you put the big ones? So now we're gonna slice the bell peppers. Already did some. For the yellow ones. Now our oxtail is finished and now we're gonna pour it into a regular pot. Next, my daddy's gonna chop some onions. Gonna add the onions. Oh, hello there. Make sure to like and subscribe. Next, we're gonna blanch our veggies. Now we're gonna add some ketchup.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna add beans. Now to finish our veggies. Here's our finished dish with oxtail, rice with beans and vegetables. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see any more cooking videos. Bye!